How to replace a broken flush on a closed coupled toilet. First of all, isolate your cold water mains at the stop tap under your kitchen sink or the service valve feeding the toilet's ball float valve, and make sure the water has stopped by testing at a tap and flushing the toilet. You'll now need to get rid of the remaining water out of the toilet cistern. Remove the screws holding the cistern to the wall, and then remove the wing nuts holding the cistern to the toilet pan. Place an old towel over the toilet seat so you don't scratch it. Lift out the cistern and lay it flat onto the toilet seat on top of your towel. If you have a flexi like this one, now it's time to remove that. Remove the old donut washer. Now remove the retaining plastic nut that holds the flushing valve into the toilet cistern. Remove the old flush valve. Read the manufacturer's instructions about setting up your flush valve before you insert the new flush valve. Then put on the new sealing washer and the new retaining nut. Tighten up the new retaining nut without snapping it. Reinstall your flexi if you have one. Install your new donut washer. Then reinstall the cistern back on top of the pan. Loosely place your wing nuts back onto the bolts holding the cistern onto the pan. Using a spirit level, push down the cistern and tighten the wing nuts up till the cistern is level or in line with the holes. Reinstall the securing screws. Reconnect your water supply. Then turn the water back on. Then install your push button to the manufacturer's instructions. Then connect the linkage from the flush valve to the push button. Place the lid back on the top of your cistern. Test it and your job is done.